This video is to serve as a review for the 5 basic types of graphic organizers. The first step to determine which type of graphic organizer you want to use is to determine which text structure you are either reading or attempting to create. And so those 5 text structures are sequence, problem solving, compare contrast, description, or cause and effect. The first type of graphic organizer is very straightforward. So the text structure is sequence, and the objective of the author is to provide steps for the reader. So your graphic organizer would simply be numbers, and then you would write the step in a brief language, and then you'd write number 2, whatever that step was, and so on and so forth. The second type of text structure is problem solution. So in the beginning of the text, the author describes some type of problem that is going on. And then in the middle of the text, it describes some events. Could be 1, could be 2, could be 3, however many events that ultimately lead to the solution. This is a great graphic organizer to use color because it clearly defines the elements of the graphic organizer. The next type of text structure is compare contrast. So the objective of the author is to describe how 2 different things are the same and how they're different. And so it's very commonly used where you draw one circle and then another circle that overlaps in the middle. And so you label this one, whatever the first topic is, say it's apples, and then say we're comparing bananas. And so in this circle you would write the characteristics that are unique to apples, and this part of the circle you would write the characteristics that are unique to bananas, and then in the middle what makes them the same. The fourth text structure is description, and then it's another commonly used graphic organizer where the main idea of the text goes in the middle, and then you draw bubbles surrounding the main idea with different details, and could be as many as are provided by the author. The final text structure that we'll just quickly review in this video is cause-effect. So the author is trying to describe how something happens. What are the causes? So it could be that we're discussing the causes of global warming. And so you would write, cause here, whatever that may be, and a cause here. And then that leads to the effect, which in my example was global warming. And there could be, multiple causes, as many as the author discusses. There also could be different effects. So if this cause leads to also another effect, you would draw a different effect in this box over here. So that is my very quick review on the 5 different types of graphic organizers.